Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of adorable pet costumes, and we've got a standout for you. If you're looking to give your furry friend a special treat this Halloween, look no further than the ITESSY cat Halloween costumes, specifically, the black lion mane wig. This costume is truly one of the best cat Halloween costumes on the market, combining charm, comfort, and a whole lot of cuteness. Let's take a closer look at this enchanting costume. The ITESSY black lion mane wig transforms your playful kitten into a miniature lion, complete with an adorable mane and cute ears. With this costume, your pet can instantly become the center of attention at any Halloween party or festive gathering. Imagine capturing those picture-perfect moments as your kitty struts their stuff, radiating lion-like confidence. Available in size small, the costume has a neck circumference of about 11.81 inches and a head circumference of approximately 10.23 inches, making it perfect for most kittens and small dogs. The wig's Velcro design ensures that it's easy to put on and take off, so you won't have to struggle to dress up your little king of the jungle. Now, let's talk about comfort. Made from a blend of polyester and plush materials, this costume is soft and breathable, which means it won't irritate your pet's skin. As pet owners, we know how important it is to ensure our furry friends feel comfortable in their costumes. The ITESSY lion mane wig ticks all the boxes, allowing your pet to enjoy their Halloween festivities without any discomfort. Whether you're dressing your pet for a costume contest, a Halloween party, or simply for fun, this costume makes for a delightful gift. Plus, the materials are durable enough for multiple uses, so your pet can enjoy their lion transformation year after year. What makes the ITESSY cat Halloween costume so versatile is its suitability for various occasions. Sure, it's perfect for Halloween, but it also works great for Christmas dress-up, role-playing parties, and even photo shoots. This costume allows your pet to join in on the fun of every celebration. Imagine your kitty posing for festive photos, fully decked out in their lion wig. You'll create unforgettable memories that you can cherish for years to come. Additionally, ITESSY prides itself on providing thoughtful customer service. If you encounter any issues before or after purchasing the Halloween clothing, the team is ready to assist you promptly. This dedication to customer satisfaction enhances your shopping experience and adds value to your purchase. In conclusion, if you're searching for the perfect Halloween costume for your pet, the ITESSY black lion mane wig is an excellent choice. It combines fun, comfort, and versatility into one adorable package. Don't miss out on the opportunity to let your pet shine this Halloween season. Whether they're prancing around the house or taking center stage at a party, this costume is sure to make a memorable impression. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you're interested in more fun and informative reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. We're here to help you make the best choices for your pets. Happy Halloween, and see you next time.